Hey guys, in today's video, let's create an AI song using SongR. This tool takes simplicity to the next level, making the entire process even smoother. So let's go to app.songr.ai. Choose the genre you want, then click I have my own lyrics. If you got your lyrics ready, just paste them here. And if not, no need to worry. Generating lyrics for your songs has become easier than ever. Just head over to gravitywrite.com. This tool will help you create the perfect lyrics in a matter of seconds. So just click Start Writing for free and create your account. Now go to Music Tools, click Song Lyrics Designer, and here, simply provide the details for your song. Now share your song concept or idea. Choose your preferred genre, specify the number of verses desired, and indicate the mood or emotion you want for the song. Then click Create Content, and your personalized song lyrics will be ready in no time. Once we have the lyrics, let's go ahead and copy them. Go back to SongR, paste the lyrics you copied from GravityWrite. Select the voice you want, either male or female, then click Render.
No more holding back, no more staying low. Gonna let the world know I'm ready to glow. The rhythm in my heart, it's taking control. I'm dancing to the beat, I'm ready to roll.
And there you go. We have got our song. It's simple as that. If you're not satisfied with the output, you can ask the tool to regenerate the song by clicking here. And you will get another version of the song. If you want to download it, just click here, select the format you want, and it will be saved to your computer.
No more holding back, no more staying low. Gonna let the world know I'm ready to glow. The rhythm in my heart, it's taking control. I'm dancing to the beat, I'm ready to roll.
And that's it. That's how you can create song using SongR. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.